Okay, so this video, we're going to discuss what it takes when choosing a cosmetic dentist. Now, it might be a little bit confusing, and to be completely honest, it's going to be a bit of a challenge for the layperson, the non-dentist, to do their homework and find the right dentist. What may not be understood or assumed is they don't teach cosmetic dentistry in dental school, and cosmetic dentistry is not a specialty. So any dentist has the right to claim to be a cosmetic dentist because there is no accreditation, there is no qualifications that are required to call yourself as such. There are organizations that do have their own criteria, and if a person is accredited within those organizations, it may be a good bet that they are capable, but it's still not 100%. So I thought it would be good to give you a few criteria when choosing a cosmetic dentist. Number one would be to ask where their training was. And I'm not talking just dental school. I think every dentist that has passed dental school and has a dental license is able to do dentistry. But when it comes to cosmetic dentistry, one should find a dentist that actually has training. Some dentists may feel qualified to do cosmetic dentistry after watching some YouTube videos or reading some magazines and looking at the pretty pictures. But to me, for my patients, they want something a bit more. The first step would be then to ask for some photographs of their own work. You may not know this, but dentists can purchase before and after photos, whether it be bound in a binder and in a photo album or to put on their website. It would be very important to ask directly to the dentist, is this your own work? Did you purchase this elsewhere? And just to be sure that it truly is theirs. Another red flag would be if discussing a smile makeover, if their initial offer is to do 6 veneers. That's usually a sign that they're not familiar with smile design and giving a smile makeover. Now, that's not to say that I haven't done 6 veneers myself, but it's usually after a discussion of the case and perhaps budget limits that we've compromised and done 6 veneers. But to come straight out and offer 6 veneers as the initial best treatment, I think that would be a poor choice. Now, in my office, I do have a photo studio. I have strobes and backdrops and things that allow me to take nice before and after photos. That's not a requirement for a cosmetic dentist. However, my friends that do a lot of cosmetic dentistry, we all have a photo studio of some sort. Now, a friend of mine, their photo studio is collapsible, for lack of a better description. They can put it away, so it may not be observable every visit to the dentist, but the equipment is there. Another thing to consider is their wax-up or a mock-up of some sort. If in the planning stages there is no wax-up or a mock-up that is done directly in the mouth, I think there's a bit of a risk. Our protocol has several steps involved. There's another video that we have here on YouTube that describes our protocol. But if the first time you see your brand new smile is the day it's bonded in place, it's sometimes better to be lucky than good. Now, another thing that not every dentist does, but may be a sign of a qualified dentist, is the kind of dentist that teaches or lectures, writes articles for other dental trade journals. Now, that's not a guarantee, but usually when a dentist is teaching others, they are usually at the top of their game, and it's a fairly safe bet that this is a dentist that can achieve the goals that you're looking for. So good luck. I know that it can be very confusing, especially here on YouTube and throughout the internet, to find dentists that are truly capable of delivering what you are asking for. And to be totally honest, if your expectations aren't very high, then most every dentist would qualify. But if you're looking for the best, if you are fastidious and wanting a specific type of a smile, it may take a little bit of homework to find the right and qualified dentist.